Hey all you Ruger fans out there, it's Matt with 5280 Armory. Today I'm going to talk about Ruger's PC 9mm carbine. So let's get started. The Ruger Police Carbine was first introduced in the mid-1990s as a companion to Ruger handguns using the same magazine, and was produced up until 2006. This, however, is the newly reintroduced PC carbine for 2017. The PC is still a simple blowback operation like its predecessor, and it's had a ton of new features added that are quite popular today. One of the biggest things that you're going to notice that's different about this carbine is it's a takedown model. A simple push forward on this lever and a small clockwise turn, then pull forward, and you'll have a pretty compact carbine that stows away in a pretty small space. Another feature that most of you are going to like is its magazine interchangeability. This PC ships with an SR and a Security 9 magwell installed, but it also includes a magwell that accepts Glock magazines. So for those of you that have a lot of Glock magazines laying around, this will be perfect. Just use the 5/32 hex wrench that is provided to remove the two takedown screws. Then pull the receiver assembly away from the buttstock. And lastly, push the magazine release and pull the magwell up and out. This carbine was designed to be ambidextrous with its reversible magazine release and charging handle. While we were shooting it left-handed, its ejection pattern was such that we didn't catch any spent casings in the nose. The fluted barrel is cold hammer forged with a 1/2 x 28 threads at the muzzle for your favorite attachment like a suppressor. And sitting atop of the barrel is an adjustable rear ghost ring sight. Alright, it's time to shoot. And today we're going to add a Ruger Security 9 pistol and a suppressor for a little extra fun. Well, okay, that concludes our shoot today on the newly reintroduced PC Carbine and Security 9. Good shoot today. Today's personal protection ammo shots were sponsored by G9 Bullets, rifle performance at a pistol's distance. So we're going to have this new Ruger PC Carbine for sale down here at the shop. But while it's still so new, you probably better give us a call and find out what we've got in stock before you come down. 5280 Armory, Colorado's Gun Shop. We'll see you soon.